Yo, what's up? It's July 20th, 2026, and I'm going to be breaking down this trade right here that I took. I'll put the execution on the screen. This trade right here I took during 10 a.m. open. Yeah, literally right. It was near 10 a.m. open, but relatively close to 10 a.m. open. And let me break it down. So, going into the day, I wanted to see a sweep of liquidity on the hourly because we have all of these conflicting bearish PD arrays that we could possibly reject off of. So that's what I want to see. So right before 10 a.m. we got this sweep of liquidity. We got this intermediate sweep right on the 4 hour, and that was really all I needed, me personally, for my buys, because we have all of these conflicting PDAs that I don't think we're gonna run through at the moment. So yeah, and let me scroll down to the lower time frame. So if we look on the lower time frame before this trade, we have all of this low resistance from Friday. All of this is low resistance right here. So all of this is expected to be ran through. So we have this low resistance, right? Scroll down to the lower time frame. What do I want to see? I want to see a breakout into a distribution. So this is AMD right here. Literally happens every day. So right, accumulation. I don't think I spelled that right. Got the accumulation right here. Got the manipulation. Got this breakout. Got this manipulation at the breakout. And we have the distribution, which is what we caught right here. So we have, I'm just going to put it right here. Distribution. This distribution right here. So let me break down why I entered a trade. So go right before I entered. So 9:30, I saw right before market open there was this accumulation. So I want to see a breakout into either side to set my buy. So if we got a breakout to the downside, right, into one of these PD arrays, I probably would have took longs. But since we got a breakout into the highs, that a breakout into these bearish PD arrays, sorry, that's why I went short. So let me open, market open, go right here. So this is the candle. We get this flip. The lower time frame, we got these IVGs. I think we had a Cisd. On the low time frame, like the 1 minute, 2 minute, and then on the 3 minute, my entry was chain of state. So we got a chain of state right here. Put it back one candle. Put it back one candle. Alright, we got this chain of state right here. This is where I entered. Market order. I put my stop at the Cisd high and my take profit at these low resistance lows. Right here. And then play it out. Trade ends up playing out. Alright. We break it down one more time. So we have this accumulation, we have this manipulation into these 4 hour PD arrays. Then we get a sweep of liquidity on the 4 hour, and then we get a nice flip. We get a nice flip from it. And yeah, that's how you could have caught, what, 126 points today on NQ. You know, easy little day. And, you know, yeah, that's the trade. Bye.